In this video, we will use right triangle trigonometry to solve for this unknown value x. This problem is different from the earlier problems in that we've got two right triangles up here. We've got this small right triangle right here, and then this larger right triangle. With respect to this 48-degree angle, this is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side. With respect to this 20-degree angle, this is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side. So the tangent function involves the opposite and adjacent sides. In the smaller right triangle, I'll label the adjacent side y. And then tangent of 48 degrees is 500 all over y. Tan of 48 degrees is 500 over y. In the larger right triangle, tan of 20 degrees is 500 over x plus y. So I have a system of two equations and two unknowns. I'll solve the system, and to do that, I'll solve this equation for y. So if I multiply both sides of the equation by y, and then divide by tan of 48 degrees, I have an expression for y. And now I can take this expression for y and substitute it back into equation 2 in place of y. Before I do that, let me manipulate equation 2 a little bit to make it a little cleaner. I'll multiply both sides by x plus y. There's what I get when I multiply the left-hand side by x plus y. And if I multiply the right-hand side by x plus y, the x plus y's will cancel, leaving me just 500. And now I'll divide both sides of this equation by tan of 20. And remember what we're after. We're out to figure out what x is. So let me go ahead and solve this equation for x now. I'll subtract y from both sides. X is equal to 500 all over tan of 20 minus y. And now I'll replace y with 500 over tan of 48. I see that x is 500 over tan of 20 degrees minus y, but y is 500 all over tan of 48 degrees. And now I'll go into my calculator and I'll get a value for this expression here. First thing I want to do is make sure that I'm in degree mode. So mode, I am in degree mode. And now let's see it. 500 divided by tan of 20 degrees, close off the parentheses for the 20 degrees, minus 500 divided by tan of 48 degrees. And I see that x to the nearest whole number, x is about equal to 924.